Royal Gourmet 18-inch portable gas griddle comes with a brilliant design. The compact size makes it super convenient for tabletop cooking, outdoor camping, or tailgating. 18-inch porcelain enameled cooking griddle ensures long-last durability. The rectangle-shaped burner heats up fast and offers even heat distribution. Piezo ignition system offers a quick startup with every easy push. Just slide out the grease tray to clean up oil residue. Connect to a 1-pound propane tank for fuel. Sturdy leg bases enhance the stability. Enjoy the convenience and versatility of cooking with Royal Gourmet 18-inch portable gas griddle. Also available in stainless steel finish with premium performance.
Fold it open. Now I can see all my stuff inside. I can take this stuff out. And then just flip it around like that, and I am good to go. There's my grill right there. I got my racks. Open these up on the sides. It has the 12 nice vents, 6 on each side, so I get really good airflow. And then I put my bottom one in, and I can put my charcoal in the bottom there, and a nice top rack as well. So in a couple seconds, I'm all ready to go. If this comes with a little tool here, if I wanted to move the rack, enough nice tools, I can just take that right off there. If I have to add any more charcoal on the bottom, I can. It's easy enough. Set it right in here, put my food on, it's good to go. Like I said, you get great airflow because the side vents on all around, and it's super easy to clean as well, which is nice with this because it's all stainless steel, nice high quality.
Meet the Megamaster 1-burner propane gas tabletop grill. It's convenient, compact, and powerful. With a roomy 360 inches of total cooking space, you can grill up to 17 burgers at once. The main stainless steel burner fires up instantly at the press of a button every time, which provides 11,000 BTUs of heat. The durable porcelain enameled firebox retains heat, and the smooth surfaces make cleaning a cinch. The black powder-coated lid features a precise built-in thermometer, and the sturdy lid easily locks and legs conveniently fold away in transit for your next adventure. Built for easy transport and neat and easy storage, you can take your 1-burner gas grill tailgating or wherever your grilling takes you. There's a big world out there, so pack your Megamaster 1-burner propane gas tabletop grill and go explore.
Introducing the Coleman RoadTrip Portable Grill. This versatile grill folds to the size of a suitcase and features quick fold legs, tough wheels, and stand-up storage capability. Coleman's innovative technology offers 3 independent burners ranging from 350 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. You can cook low and slow or hot and fast, giving you the freedom to grill everything. Perfect for campground cookouts, backyard barbecues, and game day tailgates. The Coleman RoadTrip Portable Grill.
Introducing the Megamaster 2-burner propane gas tabletop grill. The portable gas grill that loves adventuring more than you do. Forged from stainless steel for added durability for a life on the road. Inside you'll find 199 square inches of cooking space. Below that are 2 stainless steel burners controlled independently with an easy press and turn ignition system. Each burner supplies 8,000 BTUs, combining to offer up 16,000 total BTUs. The durable stainless steel lid can be locked during transport for your next adventure. The 2 foldable legs mean you can grill wherever a level surface can be found, and conveniently fold away again for easy transport and storage. Inside, you'll find an ultra-durable stainless steel cooking grid. Beneath that, 2 stainless steel flame tamers distribute the heat around the whole cooking surface while protecting the burners from any fat or drippings. Don't leave home on your next adventure without your Megamaster 2-burner propane gas tabletop grill in stainless steel.